Namhlanje iSomlingo Primary School beyenze umnyanya omkhulu. Bekumnyanya lapho abantwana bebathola khona abonongorwana. Bekubantwana abakhombise ukusebenza kakhulu, abasebenze ngamandla.
Natural science 100%. Yona awuda.
Abantwana bakhombise ithabo ngemva kobanyana bathola abonongorwana babo. Nyanya lo ngendlela bewumkhulu ngakhona. Ukhanjelwe nazinkhambeli ezifana nabondabezitha, Nyama Yengwe, Nkosi uMarhaki wesibili. Kanti-ke uthe nawuvula umnyanya kwavula ubaba umfundisi uZwane.
Kwabona ukuvuka kwabo ukuba beze esikolweni bazofunda bazothola izinto ezinhle.
Ababelethi baphume ngobuningi bakhombise ithabo nababona abantwana bathola abonongorwana. Inkosi uMarhaki wesibili ilethe amezwi okukhuthaza njengobanyana bekunguye isikhambeli esikhulu somnyanya lo.
Nabo bonke abantwana bala eSomlingo ukuthi let's work together and try to build indawo yekhethu ukuthi ivikeleke ikwazi ukuthi kube yindawo ethuthukileko.
Uhlokokulu wesikolo naye ugcine atshiya amezwi akhuthazako.
Today we had a wonderful day. It was awards where we were awarding excellence. It was an academic award. And then our learners were so happy and the criteria was so high. We also had visitors who really supported our event. The first one, Nyama Yengwe Mahaki Wabubendi, he was in our midst. We are very thankful and grateful. The other one, very important guest, was our pastor Zwane, who gave us the word of God. The most important visitors that we had today in our event, our parents of the learners who participated, and most importantly, our future, our learners were here, and we had a very grateful day here at Level.